I would say that, of course, I am a tech investor, but I don't want to invest in tech only for the sake of tech. So the question is how we can enable or tackle new challenges thanks to the technology. It's really a new way to look at things. That's the reason why when we look at tech, we think of digital, computing, anything like that. But when you look at the huge challenges we are facing now about the greenhouse gas emission, about the ocean evolution, about the soil's quality, anything like that, of course, it's out of my scope. It's really far from my personal knowledge. That's the reason why we want to be really what we call a science-based fund, and to connect the dots between the physicists, the chemistry, the biology, to tackle the climate change challenges, the biodiversity, the ocean acidity and pollution, many things like that. And of course, and obviously, I cannot brag that I am an expert into those fields, but basically what we try to do is really to finance tech solution, or we could call it tech enabler, and to connect them with the people who knows better than us, and how tech can facilitate this. So it means that we are not chasing for technologies, we are chasing for champions who will tackle the pain points. So we always begin with a kind of what we call deep dive to understand better what is the issue with the ocean, what is the issue with the atmosphere, what are the issues with the soils and the lands of the farms and the farming. And then when we understood that, we always work on an open source mode, open source like way, to make sure that we can really disclose all our knowledge with the full ecosystem and make sure that we can work all together, entrepreneurs, researchers, universities, politicians, if we can help make the regulation evolve in the same direction. That's basically what I can reply. So tech should be only a tool to tackle the big challenges and not more than that.
Yeah, that's awesome.